New wholesaling alert, $60,000 in equity, turnkey rental cash cow. Hey gang, this is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and today I want to bring you a deal, show you what a real wholesaling deal looks like. Okay. Now, not only is this a wholesale deal, but it's also turnkey. What is turnkey? Turnkey means that the property doesn't or has low repairs and there's renters already in the property. In this case, a long-term renter, over 5-year renters already in the place, and they're performing renters, which means they're paying on time and they've been there for 5 years. So this is a turnkey solution, which means that you don't have to do rehab, you don't have to buy it and put it online or hire a realtor. Everything's in place. The renters are in place. You're getting massive cash cow every month from it. And on top of that, you're getting it at a deep discount, massive equity. So this is a great opportunity, and I want to share with you and help you guys understand. Before we move forward, go ahead and click the like button and share so we can just get this message out and so people can buy this great property or enrich themselves. At the same time, leave me a comment. Let me know what state are you in and what country are you in, okay? So let's move forward. New wholesaling alert, $60,000 in equity, turnkey, which means that the renters are already in place, they're already paying rent. And so let's talk about this property, okay? All right, this property, ARV means that uh, after repair value, it's going to be worth $215,000, and this is on the low end. Okay, now $180,000 is what it's worth today in the market condition that we are today with the conditions that it's in today. So it's worth 180. Okay, and let me change that, and we want 149 cash for it. So if you're a cash buyer or you have home equity loans or whatever that you're able to execute cash, this is a great opportunity for you. So right off the bat, if you look at the ARV and what you're paying for, the ARV is 215 and the cash price is 149, you're getting $66,000. If you go with the condition of the property the way it is right now, okay, again, there's renters in there, does not need any repairs, and we'll talk about that in a second. You're going to be getting 30,000 plus in equity. Okay, and remember the $180,000, you don't have to do anything besides collect the monthly payments on the rental. Now, the renters are old; they're performing renters. The market rent around that area is $1,100 to $1,200, and in this house, we're getting above market rent. We're getting $1,277. Okay, so again, the house is performing above market rent with renters that've been there for 5 years. The property is in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. So again, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. This is an off-market deal, which means you're not going to find it on the MLS, and it's also deep discounted, which means you're not going to find these things on the market. Okay, with performing renters in place, and the property needs little or no work. Now, let's talk about what is the estimate repairs that it may need. Well, the property is being lived in with renters in the current condition, cosmetic repairs depending on the investor's criteria. So I can't speak for you, but it's renting right now. So if you want to go in there and do more work, then you're more welcome to it. If you just want to collect the monthly paychecks, then you're more welcome to it. I'm not here to tell you what you should do with your investment. Okay. Now, if you're interested, I want you to go ahead and comment I below on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, wherever you're watching this, and we'll get back with you. Now, if you're interested in getting these types of deals yourself, okay, where you're providing a win-win situation for yourself as a wholesaler, you're providing a win-win situation for the home seller, you're providing a win-win situation for the in-cash buyer, because like you see, we're leaving so much meat on the table. Then you should definitely join my profit sharing coaching, where if you're new and you don't know how to structure these deals, or if you have a deal already or whatever, I help you, we help you to get these deals hatched and put check into your pocket. Guys, if you have a deal already locked up on the contract, and you need a cash buyer, go ahead and message me at MrNoFluff.com, and we can also help you as well. But if you're new, or if you're a pro or whatever, you need help, getting more deals, your stuff, generating more leads, uh, helping yourself, then you might also want to consider getting into my mastermind called the Abundance Club. The Abundance Club, we meet every Saturday, once a week, and we help you structure your business if you're a medium or pro. And if you're new, you definitely want to get into my profit sharing coaching where you don't pay any upfront fees. When you win is when I get a check. So what does it mean that you win? When you cash a check, I cash a check. Okay. So going back to the story right now, we have a hot deal in Dallas Fort Worth with $66,000 in equity, instant equity, turnkey. Okay. The suckers bring in rent almost $1,300 a month. Actually, the numbers is 1,277. This deal is not going to last long. This is a cash deal only. We're not interested in wholesaling it or listing it or anything like that. A cash deal. You can use home equity loans. You can pay cash for it. You can talk to your buddies and all come up and pitch in. We don't care, but we need a cash deal. And if you're interested, leave a comment and we'll get back with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Hustle and bustle.